Jesus. Almost got taken out by a bird right there. That was great. But my cameraman didn't see him coming. I did, right to my head. I mean, to tell you what, Antichrist, to get focused after the bird attack, Antichrist is not overtly against Jesus Christ. He is instead another Jesus Christ, an additional Jesus Christ. Someone who comes along with Jesus Christ, a martyr with a Messiah complex like Jesus Christ, who the people of Jesus Christ will follow. You see, the term Antichrist has been misapplied, misinterpreted, and misused. I just used it correctly, and I want you to understand that and let that set you free and let that sink in today. But it really doesn't matter at the end of the day.